How to renew subscription on Uscreen. Hello everybody, welcome to another tutorial. In this video I'll show you how you can renew your subscription on Uscreen. And how do you do this? The first step is to log in into your Uscreen account, just like I've done here. And on your Uscreen page, move to the left side of the screen where you can see a sidebar displaying several options like dashboard, content. Move to subscriptions, which is located under community. So by clicking on subscriptions, you'll be taken to your subscription page where you would see all of your subscription plans here, especially the one that you would like to renew. All right, for me, I'm not on any subscription plan for now, but for you, you would see your subscription. So click on the subscription you want to renew. All right, click on that. And then after clicking on the subscription that you want to renew, on the page you would see the renew button. Click on it, follow the prompt to complete the renewal process, and your subscription would be renewed. So yeah, for me, all I can see is new plan. So if I want to get a plan, I'll just click on new plan, and then I'll be directed to the page where I'll enter my subscription title and the likes. And then if I want to renew it, I can just come back to subscription plans and then select the subscription. I'll see the renew button, I'll click on it, I'll follow the prompt, and then my subscription would be renewed. So this is it. Thank you for watching everybody, and have a good day.